girls, I'm excited to bring you Mia by TressAllure. She has a beautiful, easy, breezy, wavy style and a very natural looking density. She features a 100% hand-tied lace front and a 100% hand-tied monofilament side part, at the left of course. Well, let's explore not just the style, but also the color Chiffon Candy, which can be used as a substitute for some of the wig industry's most popular blonde shades. Well, let's get started. Wig cap has a 100% hand-tied lace front, temple to temple, and nearly translucent. Very well done. The very wide left-hand side monofilament part gives you plenty of parting space towards the left and even towards the center. The cap is open wefted to allow lots of air circulation and scalp coolness. There is a moderate amount of permatease, which gives the style its volume and lift. And you can see the permatease here as the short, wiry, dark fibers. On either side are velour-covered ear tabs that are adjustable. The extended nape is velour, and you have Velcro adjustable straps on either side, which will allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. Well, here is Mia, and is this not an absolutely flirty, beautiful style? I love the movement. The waves are just gorgeous, and it's kind of an in-between. It's elegant, it's sexy. Mia's cap size is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. And this wig fits me perfectly right out of the box without moving the adjustable straps. Now, she fits a little snug. And while the cap has some play to it, it does not have a lot of stretch. So if you have a larger than average head size, I don't feel this style would work well for you. This is where the ear tab ends, and as you can see, my sideburn comes down to here. So if you have sideburns that are a different color than the wig color, you may want to shave or wax them back, or perhaps dye them so they blend in. If you're a longtime subscriber or viewer, you know that TressAllure fibers are my favorite. I love the baby fine denier and the dryness of the TressAllure fibers. I find that they tangle less than other synthetic fibers of other brands. The fiber is very soft, a very radiant looking, natural looking fiber with little to no shine. If you research Mia on Google, you'll find 4.5 and 5-star reviews, mostly. The only negative reviews about this style have to do with the bang. Some women have complained that the front just falls into their face and is very hard to tame. I have to agree that when I first took Mia out of the box, she was a little tricky to get under control here. If you find that the front is too thick, if it's just falling into your face, you really need to take this style to either your wig salon or your hairstylist. Talk with your stylist to see if it's possible to thin the front fringe or maybe trim it a little bit to have it work more for your face shape. This is a fantastic style, and I would hate to think that someone's frustration with the bangs led them to give up on it. Though Mia has a bang, it also has a lace front that is very well done. The left-hand side monofilament part is also 100% hand-tied and well done. Now I have plucked the part a little bit. When you receive Mia, It will come with a much denser part that you see here. Here is a close-up of beautiful parting space, very natural looking. Well, let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. I love the movement of this wig. Right side, Mia's measurements are 8 inches at the bang. The sides are 8 and 10 inches long. The crown is 11 inches long. The nape is 8 inches long. That the weight is only 2.4 ounces, which is very lightweight and a style you can wear all day long. I'm wearing Mia in the gorgeous color Chiffon Candy, which is a rooted blonde color. Now, what's fantastic about this TressAllure color is that it can substitute so many popular wig colors in the wig industry. Envy's Sparkling Champagne is very similar to this, as is Jon Renau's 12 FS8 Shaded Praline. So if you love TressAllure styles, but you want it to match maybe your Envy Wigs Sparkling Champagne or your Jon Renau's Shaded Praline, this is it. Chiffon Candy has a light golden brown base and nape with golden blonde highlights and a medium golden brown root. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. If you love to style your wigs, you will love Mia. The permatease at the top is perfect for teasing up and adding in some volume. Mia has just enough length that you can secure the fibers back into a low ponytail. You could also use a claw clip and pin this wig up into an updo. Very elegant. Because you have this exceptional lace front, you could always add a pretty headband for off-the-face styling. You could also add a headband or a braided headband for another very pretty look. This style also looks really cute tucked behind the ear. If you're looking to purchase Mia, I will leave a link in the video description box under the video where you can purchase this wig. I also encourage you to Google search. That way you can see if you can find this style on sale or on clearance. Well, please subscribe as I will have more wig reviews, color spotlights, wig product reviews, and much, much more in the future. It's free to subscribe and you will get alerts every time I upload a video. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.